Mi 11 Ultra. So let's first have a look at the appearance and the design. So with this design, when you take the first glimpse at it, it might be a little exaggerated because it is really unique. And also, it is made with fine ceramic. We also have the white version. So when you look at it first, you will feel overwhelmed. But for me, after a few days, I only feel that it is really beautiful and elegant. It has the triple pro-grade cameras. There are 3 cameras. The first one is the GN2, the ultra-wide camera, the IMX586 ultra-wide, and also it has a pro-grade 100 times telemicro camera. 3 cameras are able to capture 8K videos. I'd like to introduce to you another function, which is the Ultra Night Photos algorithm. The first one is already impressive enough. So it has this cinematic shots, and the second image taken is also good enough to be placed on the cover page of magazines. You can even see the beard of the guy, some in white color. And also, we have this 120 times periscope telemicro camera. And this is a sunrise on the sea. So I asked the photographer, it was shot in Guangzhou. And also, we have made a record of how this 120 times telemicro camera is taking a photo.
With macro lens, you can also shoot 8K video. Next is the ultra-wide angle camera. It can reach up to 128 degrees. The first picture I would like to show you is a beautiful girl sitting in the boat, and the snow have yet to melt, and these are 2 horses standing on the sandhill. The sunlight goes through the forest. It looks beautiful with such a fine camera module, multicam. You can turn on all the cameras to shoot at the same time. And I can tell you, this is the most powerful camera system on the mobile phone. So this is a picture taken by professional camera. First time I saw this comparison, I was also surprised. If we zoom in, see the neon lights, you see the picture taken by Mi 11 Ultra is much better than that of Sony.
So what is the function of this rear display? Actually, it has several different functions. For example, it can demonstrate various information. So can you imagine that with this triple pro-grade cameras, you can even use this rear camera to take a selfie, and this is with the ultra-wide angle. With only 10% of the power, it has a battery life of over 55 hours. So with Mi 11 Ultra, in all possible aspects, the display, it has the high-end display, and it could be the most expensive display to date in the market. And the second thing is it is powered by this 5,000 milliamps battery and a 67-watt wired turbocharging, as well as a 67-watt wireless turbocharging. It is even thinner than 11 Pro. We also have this dual stereo speaker. It also supports IP68. Our price is 5,999 RMB yuan. We have these 3 different editions.